how to check my Valorant store on phone. So you're gonna have to go to your Play Store and download this. You can search for Valorant Shop Checker, but you can just search for Spike Hub Valorant Community anyway. Go ahead and download that and just open up the app. Once you open up the app, you're gonna have to log in. So if you don't have an account yet, sign up or register. Create your own Spike Hub account. Then you will be able to link your Riot account to the app. So go here to the second option, and it's going to be your Valorant profile. So over here, right above contracts and missions, there's going to be the store. So that's basically where you will be able to find or check your Valorant store on phone, depending on your account here on this app. You can also go ahead and take a look at the bundles if you want and the accessories. You can also change accounts, right accounts in this app as well, but hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.